Good morning. We're the research group and we are superheroes for Excellence. I'm Res. My name is Redmond Kouhog and I'm from Elizabeth Seton School. I'm here.
Obviously, I'm Academy illegal. Yeah.
I hear something. Do you hear that?
Yes, I hear that. Right. Go.
I hear someone. Help, help.
I have a research about oh my god, I'm so crying. We need to go to the oh my god, where are you?
Let's help that poor kid.
Help.
I'm Res, and I'm gonna give you research materials, principles of economics. Go! Yay! And then we're gonna give you writing materials. Bulletin.
Folder.
So, to compile binder, I'll give you binder.
Calculator.
It's Geno.
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Influence him to go to implode. Let's fight him.
What?
1, 2, 3, go. Yeah. Geno is consolation to San Juan de Letrán. And he's going to implode everyone.
I want to go to Islam too.
Let's have that poor kid combine forces. Go! Yeah! Yay! I'm gonna do my angle versus not do Dota. Get a 4.0. Yay!